So fragrant. Cilantro, parsley, dill, chives, scallions. Right, eggs are added, the cranberries, because I don't have barberries, and walnuts. Gonna put this in the oven now. You can really see the turmeric coming through, the colors. Wow, turned out really beautiful. SubhanAllah. The flavor is really incredible. I mean, I'm so surprised. I've never had something like this before. And the cranberries with the eggs is a nice touch, and the walnuts. Wow, SubhanAllah. We didn't have barberries in the market, so I looked up what could be the second best thing, and it said that. Beautiful. Okay, here's the recipe. I did add a little bit more than 8 eggs, so that's why it has a little bit of a layer on the bottom. But it was good overall, mashallah.